Okay, here we are. March 2025 Vedic chanting class, Sanskrit chanting class. Oh, good morning, people. It's 5 in the morning, India time. Nice to see you all. I'm just going to wait because we had a bunch more people sign up. So just give it a few more minutes before we begin. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Jean and Mary and Sherry. Good to have you with us. Scale. Hello, Gail. Hello, Juliana. I can only be here, Jean says, from day 1 and 4. Oh, yeah, yeah. Good. Good. At least you can be there for some of it. It's such a heavy month. It's such a heavy month. It's a big month. 2 eclipses, one happening next Friday, next Thursday, Friday, big eclipse, solar eclipse. And then comes the lunar eclipse on the big drum roll lunar eclipse on the 30th or the 29th. 30th begins Navaratri. 29th is Saturn's movement into the sign of Pisces. We have that huge Pisces lineup of like 6 planets, which is intense. And then we have the big eclipse happening, and then Navaratri begins. So end of the month begins a really intense cycle. So that's why I wanted to offer these chanting sessions, and ultimately uh, leading up to Navaratri. I'm staying right now with my teacher, Shambhavi Acharya, who some of you guys might have met in one of our last Navaratris. She came on and did the mudras class. She taught the 10 mudras for Durga. This round of Navaratri, she's going to co-teach a class with me on the Devi Mahatmya. We're starting a 9-month immersion in this incredible invocation, and she's a master of Devi Mahatmya. So I think you guys will be really, really interested in that. Plus, she's an absolutely sweet, amazing, knowledgeable master of Sri Vidya Vajrayana Buddhism. She's very close with Dalai Lama, which is why we're here in Dharamshala. And also, she's a lineage holder in the Kriya Yoga tradition, and she's only 22. But anyway, I'll share more with you next week. Maybe she'll be able to come on the chanting with us, and she can share a little bit about what the Devi Mahatmya immersion is going to be like, and what she's going to cover in it. So anyway, that's what I wanted to share with you guys. And let's begin. People will join in as they do, but it's time to start. Okay, so let us begin by chanting Om together 3 times. And we'll chant our 3 Vedic invocations and then move on to the Mahishasura Mardani Stotram. Close the eyes and take some nice, long, full, deep breaths coming into your center. Such a wonderful time to chant Sanskrit. This is the Brahma Muhurta hour in India and also in the US, which is the twilight between day and night, or in my case, night and day. Said that when we chant during Brahma Muhurta, we attract all the divine energies. So it's a wonderful time to let everything go and just tune into the mantra. Deep breath in. Om. 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 Om Gananam Ganapati Avamahe Kavim Kavinamupamashravastamam Jeshtarajam Brahmanam Brahmanaspatana Shrunvanutiphi Sita Sadhanam Om Mahaganapataye Namaha. Om Gurur Brahma Gurur Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwaraha Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. For some reason that wasn't sharing. Let's try it again. I think you can see it now. Can you see it now? Okay, good. All right, let's begin with 27 rounds of the Sankalpa, invoking the goddess Durga in Bija form, in the seed syllable form. Om Hrim Shrim Doom Durgayai Namaha. Om Hrim Shrim Doom Durgayai Namaha. To put us in the state of Durga as we chant the Mahishasuramardini Stotram, which is a really great way to kick off our chanting circle because the energy of Durga is to remove suffering. Dukh means stuckness, stagnancy, suffering, unhappiness. And Ga means to go beyond. So as we enter this eclipse season, this really big, momentous planetary transit, whenever Saturn transits signs, it takes 2.5 years. It's always a big moment. So we want to have the protection of Durga. In our Devi Mahatmya class over Navaratri, we are going to learn the Kavacham. The Kavacham is the protection, those mantras that protect us. And this is like a mini Kavacham, this Om Hrim Shrim Doom Durgaya Namaha. So I'll keep track of the count and you guys just close the eyes and follow along with the mantra. You don't have to look at the screen for this if you don't wish. We'll close the eyes. Take a long, full, deep breath in. Om Hrim Shrim Dum Durgayai Namaha. 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 Now let's chant our stotram. I'll try to go a little bit slower. Let me just see if I can, yeah, I can make it bigger so you can see it. This is meant to be a tongue twister. Oops. So yeah, okay, there we go. It's meant to be a tongue twister, and as you may have learned from my Sanskrit for Yogis class, every syllable that we pronounce in Sanskrit touches a marma point in the vocal cavity, sending prana through that marma point, through the nadis to the deep internal energetic structures in the body, the chakras. So this chant was composed by Adi Shankaracharya, the great master, and it's deliberately composed according to a particular sequence of Sanskrit syllables that are meant to invoke that suffering removing, that sorrow removing energy of Durga. So don't worry if you don't get all the syllables right. We're making an attempt. I'll probably make mistakes also. I definitely will, but we're making that attempt to hit those points correctly with the pronunciation to increase or to invoke that prana related to Durga within the nervous system. So let's take a deep breath and we'll go through the chant together. Ai Giri Nandini Nandita Medini Vishva Vinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindhya Shiroti Nivasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Krite Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Suravaravarshini Durdhara Dharshini Durmukhamarshini Harsharate Tribhuvana Poshini Shankaratoshini Kilpishamoshini Gosharate Dhanujani Roshini Titi Sutaroshini Durmadashoshini Sindhu Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shailasute Ai Jagadamba Madamba Kadamba Vanapriya Vasini Asharate Shikhari Shiromani Tunga Himalaya Shringa Nijalaya Madhyagate Madhu Madhure Madhu Kaitaba Bhanjini Kaitaba Bhanjini Rasarate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shailasute. Hold on a second, you guys. Aishatakanda Vikandita Runda Vitundita Shunda Gajadipate Ripu Gajaganda Vidarana Chanda Parakrama Shunda Mrigadipate Nija Bhuja Danda Nipatita Kanda Vipatita Munda Patadipate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Airana Durmada Shatruvadhodita Durdhara Nirjara Shakti Brite Chatura Vichara Durina Mahashiva Duta Krita Pramatadhipate Durita Duriha Durashaya Durmada Dhanavadutta Kritantamate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shailasute Aisharanagata Vairi Vadhurvara Veera Bhayadaya Kare Tribhuvanamastaka Virodhi Shirodi Kritamala Shulakare Dumi Dumi Tamara Dundubinada Maho Mukhari Kritatigmakare Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shailasute Ai Niji Hum Kriti Matra Nirakrita Dhumra Vilochana Dhumrashate Samara Vishoshita Shonita Bija Samud Bhavasonita Bijalate Ai Shiva Shiva Shumba Nishumba Mahahava Tarpita Bhuta Pishacharate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shailasute Dhanuranu Sangaranakshana Sanga Parispura Danga Natat Katake Kanakapishanga Prishat Kani Sangarasat Bhatta Shringa Hatavatuke Krita Chaturanga Balakshitiranga Gadad Bahuranga Ratad Batuke Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shailasute Jaya Jaya Japya Jaye Jaya Shabda Parastuti Tatpara Vishvanute Bhana Bhana Bhinjimi Bhinkrita Nupura Shinjita Mohita Bhutapate Natita Natarta Nati Natanayaka Natita Natya Sugana Rate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shaila Sute Ai Sumana, 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 Sumano Harakanti Ute Shrita Ranjani, 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 Ranjani Karavaktra Vrite Sunayana Brahmara, 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 Brahmaradhipate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Sahita Mahahavamalamatalika Malitarallaka Mallarate Vira Chitta Vallika Pallika Mallika Bhillika Bhillika Varga Vrite Sita Krita Pulla Samulla Sitaruna Tallaja Pallava Sallalite Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shaila Sute Avirala Ganda Galan Madame Duramattamatanga Jarajapate Tribhuvana Bhushana Bhuta Kalanidhi Rupa Payo Nidhi Rajasute Ai Sudati Janalala Samanasa Mohana Manmata Rajasute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Kamala Dala Malako Malakanti Kala Kalita Malapalalate Sakala Vila Sakala Nilaya Kramakeli Kalat Kalahansakule Alikula Sangkula Kuvalaya Mandala Mauli Milad Pakula Liluke Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadini Ramyakapadini Shaila Sute Karamurali Ravavijita Kujita Lajita Kokila Manjumute Milita Pulinda Manohara Gunjita Ranjita Shaila Nikunjagate Nijaguna Bhuta Maha Shabari Gana Sadguna Sambrita Kelitale Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadini Ramyakapadini Shaila Sute Katita Katitapita Dukula Vichitra Mayu Katiraskrita Chandra Ruche Pranata Sura Suna Mauli Manispura Damshula Sannaka Chandra Ruche Jita Kanaka Chalamoli Padurjita Nirbhara Kunjara Kumbha Kuche Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Vijita Sahasra Karaika Sahasra Karaika Sahasra Karaika Nute Krita Sura Taraka Sangara Taraka Sangara Taraka Sunnusute Surata Samadhi Samana Samadhi Samana Samadhi Sujatarate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Padakamalam Karuna Nilaye Varivasyati Nudinam Sashive Ai Kamale Kamala Nilaye Kamala Nilaya Sakatam Nabhavet Tava Padameva Param Paramityanushilayato Mama Kim Nashive Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Kanakala Satkala Sindhu Jalairanu Sinchinute Gunarangha Puvam Bhajati Sakim Nashachi Kucha Kumbhatati Pariramba Sukhanubhavam Tava Charanam Sharanam Karavani Nata Maravani Nivasi Shivam Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Tava Vimalendu Kulam Vadanendu Malam Sakalam Nanukulayate Kimu Puruhuta Purinda Mukhi Sumukhi Birasau Vimukhi Kriyate Mamatu Matam Shivana Madhane Bhavati Kripaya Kimuta Kriyate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Ai Mai Dina Dayalutaya Kripayaiva Tvaya Bhavita Vyamume Ai Jagato Janani Kripaya Siyata Sitata Numita Shirate Yaduchitamatra Bhavat Yurari Kuruta Duruta Pamapa Kurute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Shailasute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapadini Dini Shailasute. And let's just close the eyes and feel the energy of the chant for a few moments. Okay, let's do another round. Now that we're warmed up, maybe we can even do 3 rounds. Let's see. All right, let's rev the engines. Deep breath in. आई गिरि नंदिनी नंदित मेदिनी विश्व विनोदिनी नंदिनुते गिरिवर विंध्य शिरोधिनि वासिनी विष्णु विलासिनी जिष्णुनुते भगवती हेशिति कंठ कुटुंबिनी भूरि कुटुंबिनी भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनी रम्यकपर्दिनी शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि धूर्धर धर्षिणि धूर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि घोषरते धनुजनि रोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दूर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वन प्रियवासिनि हासरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुंग हिमालय शृंगनिजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभञ्जिनि कैटभञ्जिनि राशरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐशतखण्ड विखण्डित रुण्ड विठुण्डित शुण्ड गजाधिपते रिपुगजगण्ड विदारण चण्ड पराक्रम शुण्ड मृगाधिपते निज भुज दंड निपातित खंड विपातित मुंड भट्टाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐरन्नदुर्मदशत्रुविदोधित दूर्धर निर्जर शक्तिभृते चतुरविचार दुरीन महाशिव दूतकृता प्रमथाधिपते दुरित दुरीह दुराशय दुर्मद दानवदूत कृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ शरणागत वैरिवधूवर वीरवरा भयदायकरे त्रिभुवनमस्तकशूलविरोधि शिरोधि कृतामल शूलकरे धूमि धूमि तामर दुन्दुभिनाद महो मुखरीकृत तिग्मकरे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ निजिहुमकृति मात्र निराकृत धूम्रविलोचन धूम्रशते समर विशोषित सोनित बीजशम समुद्भव शोणित बीजलते शिव शिव शुंभ निशुंभ महाहव तर्पित भूत पिशाचरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते धनुरनुसंग परिस्फुरदङ्गनटत् कटके कनकपिशङ्गपृषत्कनिसङ्गरसद् भट्टशृङ्गहट्टावटुके कृतचतुरङ्गबलश्चितिरङ्गगदद् बह्हुरङ्गरथद् बटुके जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द परस्तुति तत्पर विश्वनुते भन पन बिंजिमि भिंकृत नूपुर शिंजित मोहित भूतपते नटित नटार्द नटी नटनायक नाटित नाट्य सुगानरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते आई सुमन 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 सुमनोहर कान्तियुते श्रित रंजनी 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 करवकृत वक्त्रवृते सुनयन विभ्रमर भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सहित महाहवमल्लमथल्लिकमल्लितरल्लक मल्लरते विरचितवल्लिक पल्लिक मल्लिक भिल्लिक भिल्लिक वर्गवृते चित्तकृत पुल्लसमुल्लसितारुणतल्लज पल्लवसल्ललिते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अविरलगण्डगलन्मदमेदुरमत्तमतङ्गजराजपते त्रिभुवनभूषण भूतकलानिधिरूपपयोनिधि राजसुते आई सुदती जनलालसमानस मोहन मन्मथ राजसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलदलामलकोमलकान्तिकलाकलितामलहाललते सकलविलासकलानिलय क्रमकेलिकलत्कलहंसकुले अलिकुल संकुल कुवलय मंडल मौलिमलद पकुलालिकुले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते करमुरलीरवनीजितकूजितलज्जितकोकिलमञ्जुमते मिलितपुलिन्दमनोहरगुञ्जित रञ्जितशैलनिकुञ्जगते निज गुण भूत महाशबरी सद्गुण समृत केलितले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते Katitatapita dukula vichitra mayukatiraskrita chandra ruche Pranatasura sura mauli manispura damshula san nakachandra ruche Jita kanaka chalamali padur. Again, Jita Kanaka Chalamoli Pador Jita Nirbhara Kunjara Kumbakuche Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Sura Mardini Ramya Kapadini Shaila Sute Vijita Sahasra Karaika Sahasra Karaika Sahasra Karaika Nute Krita Sura Taraka Sangara Taraka Sangara Taraka Sunusute Surata Samadhi Samana Samadhi Samana Samadhi Sujatarate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Padakamalam Karuna Nilaye Varivasyati Yo Nudhinam Sashive Ai Kamale Kamala Nilaye Kamala Nilaya Sakatham Nabhavet Tava padameva param paramit yanushilayato mama kim nashive Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadini Ramyakapardini Shaila Sute Kanakala Satkala Sindhu Jalairanu Sinchinute Gunarangha Bhuvam Bhajati Sakim Nashachi Kuchakumbhatati Pariramba Sukhanubhavam Tava Charanam Sharanam Karavani Nata Maravani Nivasi Shivam Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Tava Vimalendu Kulam Vadanendu Malam Sakalam Nanukula Yate Kimu Puruhuta Purinda Mukhi Sumukhi Birasavumukhi Kriyate Mama Tumatam Shivanam Madhane Bhavati Kripaya Kimuta Kriyate Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Ai Mai Dina Dayalu Taya Kripayaiva Tvaya Bhavita Vyamume Ai Jagato Janani Kripaya Siyata Sitata Numita Shirate Yaduchita Mathara Bhavat Yurari Kuruta Duruta Parapamapa Kurute Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadhini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadhini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahisha Suramadhini Ramya Kapardini Shaila Sute. Take a moment to just feel the Shakti moving through the nervous system. We may spill over the hour, but let's go for a third round. Third round is the charm. If you have to check out early, that's okay. But let's do another round. This time a little faster, if I can keep up with the syllables. Deep breath in. Aigiri Nandini Nanditamedini Vishwavinodini Nandinute Girivara Vindhya Shirodhini Vasini Vishnu Vilasini Jishnunute Bhagavati Heshiti Kanta Kutumbini Bhuri Kutumbini Bhuri Krite Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Suravara Varshini Durdhara Dharshini Durmukhamarshini Harsharate Tribhuvana Poshini Shankaratoshini Kilpishamoshini Gosharate Tanujani Roshini Titi Sutaroshini Durmadashoshini Sindhu Sute Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Ai Jagadamba Madamba Kadamba Vana Priyavasini Hasarate Shikari Shiromani Tunga Himalaya Shringa Nichalaya Madhyagate Madhu Madhure Madhu Kaitaba Banjini Kaitaba Banjini Rasharate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Aishata Khanda Vikandita Runda Vitundita Shunda Gaja Dhipate Ripuga Jaganda Vidarana Chanda Parakrama Shunda Mriga Dhipate Nija Bhuja Danda Nipatita Khanda Vipatita Munda Patadhipate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Airana Durmada Shatruvadhotita Durdhara Nirjara Shakti Brite Chatura Vichara Durina Mahashiva Duta Krita Pramathadhipate Durita Duriha Durashaya Durmadadana Vaduta Kritanti Kritantamate Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Aisharanagata Vairi Vadurvara Vira Vara Bhayadhaya Kare Tribhuvanamastaka Virodhi Shirodhi Kritamala Shula Kare Dumi Dumi Tamara Dundu Binadamaho Mukhari Kritatigma Kare Jaya Jaya He Mahishasuramardini Ramyakapardini Shailasute Ainiji Hum Kriti Matra Nirakrita Dumra Vilochana Dhum Rashate Samara Vishoshita Shonita Bija Samud Bhavashonita Bijalate Shiva Shiva Shumba Nishumba Mahahavatarpita Bhuta Pishacharate जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते धनुरनुसङ्गरनक्षनसङ्गपरिस्फुरदङ्गनटत्कटके कनकपिशङ्गपृषत्कनिसङ्गरसत् भटशृङ्गहत्तावटुके कृतचतुरङ्गबलक्षितिरङ्गगदद् बहुरङ्गरथत् बटुके जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय जप्य जये जय शब्द परस्तुति तत् परविश्वनुते भन भन बिंजिमि भिन्कृत नूपुर सृंजित मोहित भूतपते नटित नटार्द नटी नतनायक नाटित नाट्य सुगान रते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते ऐ सुमन 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 सुमनोहर कान्तियुते श्रितरञ्जनी रञ्जनी 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 करवक्त्रवृते सुनयन भ्रमर 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 भ्रमराधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते सहित महाहवमल्लमतल्लिकमल्लितरल्लकमल्लरते विरचित वल्लिक पल्लिक मल्लिक भिल्लिक भिल्लिक वर्गवृते सितकृत फुल्ल समुल्ल सितारुण तल्लज पल्लव सल्ललिते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अविरल गंड गलन मद मेदुरमत्तमतंग जराजपते त्रिभुवन भूषण भूत कला निधि रूप पयो निधि राज सुते आई सुदती जन लाल समान समोहन मन मतराज सुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कमलदला मालकोमलकान्तिकला कलितामलफाललते सकल विलास कला निलय क्रम केली कलत कलहंस कुले अलिकुल संकुल कुवलय मंडल मौली मलद पकुलाल कुले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते खरमुरलीरववीजित कूजित लज्जित कोकिल मंजुमते मिलित पुलिंद मनोहर गुंजित रंजित शैल निकुंजगते निज गुण भूत महाशबरी गण सद्गुण संवृत खेलितले जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते कटितटपीतटुकूल विचित्रमयूख तिरस्कृत चन्द्ररुचे प्रणत सुरासुरमौलिमनिस्फुरदंशूलसन्नक चन्द्ररुचे जितकनकाचलमौलिपदोजित निर्भरकुञ्जरकुम्भकुचे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते विजितसहस्रकरैक कृतसुरतारक सूनुसुते सुरत समाधि सुजातरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते पदकमलं करुणानिलये वरिवस्यति योऽनुदिनं स शिवे अयि कमले कमलानिलये कमला निलय सकतं न भवेत् तव पदमेव परं परमित्यनुशीलयतो मम किं न शिवे जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते खनकलसत्कलसिन्धुजलैरनुसिञ्चिनुते गुणरङ्गभुवम् भजति स किं न शचीकुचकुम्भटति परिरम्भसुखानुभवम् तव चरणं शरणं करवाणि नथा मरवाणि निवासि शिवम् जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते तव विमलेन्दुकुलं वदनेन्दुमलं सकलं ननुकूलयते किमु पुरुहूतपुरीन्दमुखी सुमुखी विरसौ विमुखी क्रियते मम तु मतं शिवनामधने भवती कृपया किमुता क्रियते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते अयि मयि दीनदयालुतया कृपयैव त्वया भवितव्यमुमे अयि जगतो जननी कृपयासि यथासि तथा नुमिताशिरते यदुचितमथर्भवत्युररीकुरुता दुरुता पमपा कुरुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते and close the eyes and take a few moments to just feel the presence of Durga within you. Jai Ma, everybody. We'll close with a final round of 3 ohms and a final blessing, Vedic invocation. Deep breath in. Oh. 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 Asato ma satgamaya. Tamaso ma jyotirgamaya. Mrityormamritam gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. From delusion, lead me to truth. From darkness, lead me to light. And from death, lead me to immortality. Om, peace, peace, perfect peace. See you next week, same time, same place, different mantra. Mantra will be the Samputita Shri Suktam. I just want to quickly answer some questions. Jane asks, any translation available or overall meaning of the chant? Thanks, I love it. Yes. Actually, I did a whole course on this, Jane, the Mahisha Sura Mardini Stotram, where I go into it verse by verse and the meaning of each one of the verses and the background and why we chant it. It's a full immersion. So if you like to get access to that course, I'm just going to I want to send to everybody, to Jane. I think you have my email, namaste@drkatiejane.com. Just send a note to my assistant and she will put you in touch with that course. Maybe I'll send out an announcement about it too, because others will probably be interested in a deeper immersion in all 4 of the chants that we're going to be practicing together on these Friday sessions. So I think that's the only question I have. And yeah, thank you all for being here, everybody. See you next week. Jai Ma.